everyone! Today I'm showing you how I came up with this farmhouse tray and decor for you. The tray, carrots, and bunny are DIYs, and I just thought that the Rae Dunn cup and the wood garland completed the look. If you would like to see how I came up with this, then please continue to watch. Alright everyone, so for this project you are going to need these little trays. So this comes with a medium-sized one and a small one, and they're burner covers. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. Also, to glue on that, I got this jute cord. This is from Walmart. I already had some. I didn't realize I already had some. So I'll have plenty, which is nice. I also have this from the Dollar Tree. This is just a jute nautical rope. I'm going to use this for the handles. I'm going to use my hot glue gun. And then I found this really cute bunny. I think the bunny is really pretty. I just don't like the mercury glass look. So I'm going to paint this. Back here, I just got some chalk paint. These are from Walmart. I had already had this green one. I'm gonna use this orange one for the carrots. So these carrots I got from Walmart, this set of 2, which they are already orange, but I'm going to make them look more rustic with some twine and paint. And then I got the white for the bunny and this green to maybe touch up the leaves, like the greenery on the carrots. Alright, so if you guys are curious to see how I put this all together, then please continue to watch. So this came with a small one and a medium-sized one. I'm going to be using this medium-sized one. Okay, so this is going to be very tedious, but all you have to do is glue this all around until you don't see any white. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I showed you this nautical rope. This is nice because it's thicker and bigger, so I'm going to use this for the handles on the side. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on hot gluing all of this down.
I always thought that we'd meet again. I hope you like to do that too. You have those eyes I wouldn't forget, and now I'm just dreaming about you. We could be made.
Okay, so now that I have the whole bottom part done, I'm going to go around and do the lip, just any part that you can see. So I'm going to do all of the sides and then on the inside.
Just said by then. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright, so the next thing I'm going to make the handles, and I'm going to use this Dollar Tree nautical rope, and I'm going to just cut 2 even sides and hot glue them.
I would have liked to meet you again. You would have liked to do that too.
So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this with this twine all around, and then I'm going to paint it an orange. I think it would be cute if you left it just like this, but I'm going to go ahead and paint it just to add some more to it. The paint that I'm using is this chalk paint, and it's called Pumpkin, and I just picked it up from Walmart.
And all this time we said this would end. Instead we completed that both of us needed more than a friend. Thought he'd be someone else, that it would take me a while. But right next to you now I'm sleeping, no rhyme or reason to that. If this is what love is, then
Okay, so this one still needs to dry, but you can kind of compare. This one just looks more rustic, and I really like that it's going to match my theme better. So as you can see, one of these I painted this moss green color, and I think it just looks so much softer and so much nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this one that moss green color as well. So this bunny was all sorts of colors before I decided on the moss green. I started with an ivory, but it ended up looking way too white, and I didn't think it went with my cream and brown theme. So then I switched to a peach color, and then didn't like that, so I switched to a lighter peach, and then I decided to do the moss to tie in the carrots. So I do love how it turned out, and I hope you guys do too.
thought I'd had to search for the love that was right here, my best friend. Thought he'd be someone else, thought it would take me a while. But right next to you now I'm sleeping, no rhyme or reason to that. If this is what love is, then it's worth the wait. Can't get enough of this. Thought of you as mine.
I hope you all enjoyed watching my Easter tray and decor DIY today. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already to see more videos like this one. I'll catch you all in my next video. Have a wonderful and blessed day.